We are all interested in giving our children their best start and foundation in life. This can be a broad range of things, but one of the most common things we think about as parents is intelligence. Nature and nurture both play a part in the overall intellectual development of a child. I might not be able to do much about nature once genetics are in place after conception, but we are able to help nurture our children. Hi, my name is Brittany Kelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to go over 5 straightforward tips on how you can nurture your baby's brain development while you are still pregnant. If you like information about baby development both during pregnancy and after birth, then it is time to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe and notification bell so we stay connected. Now let's get into the information. Tip number 1, stay active. Not only does being active during pregnancy reduce the risk of cesarean sections, but studies have shown that it may help improve babies' oral language skills later in life. Also, babies may adjust better to environmental stimuli if their mother was active during the pregnancy. These things all relate to better scoring in intelligence testing later. So, if you can exercise, then it is a positive habit to continue or start in a healthy pregnancy. Of course, always check with your doctor first. Tip number 2, get some vitamin D and healthy fats in your diet. Vitamin D deficiency may have a negative effect on the developing fetus's motor skills and social development that can be observed in the preschool years. In order to avoid this possible effect, get some sun, which the body uses for vitamin D, or eat vitamin D rich foods. Also, you can take a vitamin D supplement that has been approved by your doctor. Also, healthy fats are an important part of a prenatal diet. Healthy fats such as DHA have been shown to be beneficial to fetal neurological development. Your doctor may have already suggested that you take a prenatal DHA supplement, or you can seek out foods that are rich in this omega-3 fatty acid, such as salmon. Tip number 3, stay pregnant longer. Even though the end of the pregnancy can be exhausting and many moms want to get the baby delivered as soon as possible, try to be patient. The March of Dimes defines full term as 39 to 40 weeks gestation. So, if it is possible for the pregnancy to continue to this time, then wait it out. Supposedly, there is a positive impact on the baby's cognitive function and a possible increase in performance in reading and other academic areas for those who are able to stay in the womb until 39 to 40 weeks full term. Tip number 4, talk and read to your baby. Give your baby the gift of language development as soon as they can hear, which is while they are still in the womb. During the last stages of pregnancy, babies are listening and learning. Word exposure is linked to a higher vocabulary and better academic performance overall. Try to be gentle and soothing in your tone because mother's voice is already amplified in the womb. Pick up your favorite book and read to your baby. This also can help in early bonding. Tip number 5, reduce stress. Chronic stress is bad for everyone, including your unborn child. Higher stress or higher cortisol levels for a long period of time during pregnancy can have a negative effect on the baby's development. This negative effect may impact neurological development, so try to relax, meditate, seek help, or use whatever coping mechanism helps you de-stress. This is great for you and the baby. So these tips are pretty simple and easy to implement. Some of you may already be practicing this in your pregnancy, and if you are, great, keep it up. Also, remember, there is a ton of stuff that we can do once the baby is here. So if you haven't done it already, please hit the subscribe button and make sure we stay connected so we can share this information with one another. Speaking of sharing, because sharing is caring, make sure that you share this video with your expectant friends and family members on your social media so that they know as well. Let's make the next generation even better. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.